So, you're planning your next shoot and you're unsure which resolution you should be shooting in. Now, you may wonder, what exactly is the difference between Full HD, 2K, and 4K? Each classification represents the number of pixels an image or video has. Full HD is the most popular and readily available, coming in at 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels, also referred to as 1080p, whereas 2K has 2048 by 1080. It's referred to as 2K because it's a little over 2000 pixels wide. The same logic goes for UHD 4K, even though it comes in just under 4000 pixels. In short, each name is related to the width in pixels, so the more pixels, the higher the resolution. While most household televisions and computers oftentimes cannot display the highest resolutions, shooting in a higher resolution future-proofs your material for when technology eventually catches up.